Quantum computing stocks are absolutely exploding in 2025. Some have surged over 1,000%, and it's not just hype. There's a major shift happening beneath the surface that most investors haven't caught on to. But if you stay until the end, I'll show you a simple way to tap into this trend without guessing which company will win. I'm Robert, and this is The Alternative Investor. Quantum computing has quietly made its way from theory to real-world development, and the pace is accelerating. Big players like Microsoft, IBM, and Alphabet are racing to be first with scalable, commercially viable systems. Microsoft just unveiled the Majorana 1 chip, a new approach to building stable qubits, one of the biggest challenges in the entire field. Alphabet, through Google, is now rolling out its Willow chip, a successor to Sycamore, and early data shows it's achieving quantum capabilities far beyond what classical computers can handle. These breakthroughs are setting the stage, and we'll see just how powerful their impact is later in the video. Quantum stocks aren't just moving, they're exploding. Shares of Quantum Computing Inc. ticker symbol, QUBT, have seen major gains in recent weeks. IONQ ticker symbol, IONQ, and D-Wave Quantum ticker symbol, QBTS, are getting serious traction as retail and institutional investors pour in. Even more interesting, the Defiance Quantum ETF ticker symbol, QTUM, has quietly become a favorite for those looking to get exposure across the entire space. What's fueling this rush? It's not just news headlines, there's a deeper shift underway, and we'll come back to that when we talk about investor strategy. Timing is everything, and this moment in quantum history is unique. The tech itself is finally reaching a point where it can be commercialized. Breakthroughs in qubit stability and error correction are making quantum machines not just powerful, but functional. At the same time, government funding is flowing in like never before. Agencies like DARPA and the US Department of Energy are investing billions into quantum infrastructure, education, and public-private partnerships. And then there's industry adoption. Pharmaceutical companies are using quantum for molecular simulations, banks are building quantum algorithms to assess risk, logistics firms are optimizing global shipping networks using quantum processing. This wave isn't just coming, it's here, but it's where this is all going that's most interesting. These are the companies on the cutting edge in quantum computing. Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT, has combined hardware and cloud in a big way through Azure Quantum. Their new Majorana-based chip is positioning them as a pioneer in building scalable, fault-tolerant quantum systems. IBM, ticker symbol IBM, has laid out one of the most ambitious quantum roadmaps in the industry. Their next-gen systems aim to exceed 4,000 qubits soon, a huge leap from where we are today. They're also working with enterprise clients to build practical, real-world applications. Then there's Alphabet, ticker symbol GOOG, whose Willow chip represents a leap forward in both speed and fidelity. Google is also exploring the intersection of quantum computing and AI, something that could reshape the future of machine learning and big data processing. IONQ, ticker symbol YONQ, is a standout because it's a pure-play quantum company using trapped ion technology, which offers high fidelity and long coherence times. Their approach is drawing real enterprise interest and strategic partnerships. D-Wave Quantum, ticker symbol QBTS, is going a different route, using quantum annealing instead of universal gate models. This makes them well-positioned to solve optimization problems for industries like transportation, logistics, and manufacturing. Each company brings something different to the table, and together, they're building the next generation of computational power. For investors watching all this unfold, one question keeps coming up: how do I get in without picking the wrong stock? Here's your answer. The Defiance Quantum ETF, ticker symbol QTUM, includes a portfolio of companies actively working in quantum computing, from the giants like Microsoft and IBM to rising innovators like IONQ and D-Wave. It gives you exposure to the entire trend without requiring you to guess which one will dominate. And with how fast this industry is moving, that kind of diversification is more important than ever. Quantum computing is no longer science fiction. With hardware breakthroughs, surging market momentum, institutional support, and real-world use cases, this isn't a bubble, it's a breakout. The companies we covered today are laying the groundwork for a future where quantum becomes part of everyday business, finance, and technology. And while the hype is real, the opportunity is even bigger. If you're ready to stay ahead of the curve and invest in the future, hit that like button, subscribe to The Alternative Investor, and let me know in the comments, which quantum company, or strategy, do you think is going to lead the charge?